Some special days are celebrated with the family. Birthday. Mother's Day. Father's Day. Grandparents' Day. Some special days are celebrated at school. Number name 33.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33.
Trace and write the number name. Rainy season, paper umbrella. Addition. There are 3 apples and 2 mango. How many fruits are there? 3 plus 2 equals 5. There are 4 green balls and 2 pink balls. How many total balls are there? 4 plus 2 equals 6. There are 3 butterflies in one jar and 3 in another jar. How many total butterflies are there in both jars? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Four-letter words. Ball, bell, cell, dull, tall, tell, fill, maul, kill, fall. Write the words. Number 89 and 90.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
Write the number. Read aloud. 1. Pat has a fall. 2. Ben had a ball and a bat. 3. The cat is in the well. 4. Ben and Bob pull the pram. 5. Tom and Dick go up the hill. 6. The ball fell in the well. Number name 34.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
Trace and write the number name. Many religious festivals are also celebrated in India. Holi, Eid, Ganesh Chaturthi, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Dussehra, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Christmas, match the following.
The dog says, the dog says bow wow, the cat says meow, the sheep says baba, the little pig says wee wee, the watch says tick tock, the hen says cluck cluck, the cock says cock a doodle doo.
Number name 35.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
Trace and write the number name. Different people go to different places to pray. Temple, church, Gurdwara, mosque, fire temple, stupa, subtraction. There are 3 apples, 2 apples are eaten. How many apples are left? 3 minus 2 equals 1. There are 4 leaves in a bunch. 1 leaf fell down. How many leaves are left? 4 minus 1 equals 3. There are 5 lollipops in a shop. 2 lollipops are sold. How many lollipops are left? 5 minus 2 equals 3. There are 2 ducks in a pond. 1 duck went out. How many ducks are left? 3 minus 1 equals 2.